Alright, I brought the car around here to where the trailhead is, heading south now. 12:30 start though for the second part of these twin hikes. Alright, 12:30, headed south now on the AT. Makes it sound like it's downhill, but it ain't. Housatonic. We got this to start us off on this section of trail. Smells great. Very, very nice day. Totally different feeling on this section of trail than the one earlier. We started off with that 1,000-foot ascent and the damp woods. And here we'll be along the river for a while, I guess. Loving this hike. Whew. Just awesome out here. Whew. Wow. This begs you to cool your feet down a little. Maybe later. Just gorgeous hiking up here. gosh. Finally got away from the river. It's very steep ascent. Sharp left and straight up and up. My gosh, it's still no end in sight, really. An hour into this hike. Whew. Oh man. Seems like another 1,000-foot ascent now. It might be. Rough climb. There's something a little spooky about it here. This wicked steep grade will not stop. It is evil. It just keeps going up. It looks like it's just going to get even worse. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh wow. Man. Just evil. Wicked steep grade. Keeps going. I just passed a local guy. He looks at me, he says, I know how it feels. So but he indicated the summit of this 10-mile hill is within half a mile. Good enough. Huh. Like I said, there was a vista, and it's true, there is. It's just not much of one. It's nice. It's okay, I guess. It's nice up here. It was, wow, really bad coming up here. You're telling me I'm only at 1,000 feet after that? That was just a 700-foot ascent, huh? Or 800. 7. It felt like 12 It felt like more than what I did this morning. Anyway, a little breeze up here. It's comfortable here. Hike down shouldn't be too painful. Man, the bugs have been pretty bad the entire time. But good hiking up here again. At least I got a good workout for my legs coming up here. We'll go back to Bull's Bridge and maybe hang out there a couple minutes and then head home. I'm going down, 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 down. Just amazing, nice staircase out here, middle of nowhere. And down here too. I can already hear the river again. It's been great hiking today. I am tired though. So, saw great stuff earlier. Yeah, I didn't get a big view late, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. I mean, we had our fun. Our big fun. This is awesome hiking. Those people I just passed, I think the camera caught a glimpse of them. Those were real Southerners. A deep accent on that guy. They're nice people. Very cool. Still going down. It's fatiguing.